In this video, we're gonna go from this to this using these. Okay, so I'm pretty sure these are the original windshield wipers on this car, and they honestly should be replaced about every 2 years, a year. So I'm gonna replace these real quick and show you how. First thing I do, lift this up right here. Okay, this tab right here just pulls out and push down on it. Then just kind of unhook it. And off it comes. Now, this car is in many, the driver's side and passenger side are two different sizes. So it's a good idea to verify which is which. Then we just simply slide it on. Make sure it locks into place. And that side's done. Now over to the other side. And again, just lift up on the little clip. Push down. And it just comes out. And the new one just pops on. Just like so. And again, make sure it locks in good. That's it. There you go. Thank you for watching.
Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel. Maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.
Stay up.